How to stop negative spirits from controlling your life. Listen to me very well. Many people do not know this truth. Negative spirits do not enter your life by accident. They enter through open doors, weak moments, fear, confusion, and pain. And once they enter, they try to control your thoughts, your emotion, your actions, and even your destiny. So today, I want to show you how to stop negative spirits from controlling your life so that you can finally take back your peace, your power, and your spiritual freedom. One thing you must know is this: negative spirits attack in silence. They do not always come with noise. They first hide in your emotions, they hide in your thoughts, and they hide in your habits. And slowly you start feeling like you are not yourself anymore. You start reacting in a way that surprises you. You begin to do things that after you ask yourself, how come? You start doing things that do not match your real personality. This is how spiritual manipulation works. But today, that control will break. How to stop negative spirits from controlling your life? Number one, stop giving them space in your mind. The first place negative spirits control is your mind. If they can control your thoughts, they can control your life. They whisper lie, they magnify fear, hopelessness, and they fill your mind with worry, doubt, overthinking, and confusion. You will notice that you begin to feel heavy for no reason. You lose focus, you lose strength, you feel overwhelmed even when nothing is wrong. This is how negative spirits manipulate your mind and weaken your spiritual confidence. To stop this, you must take charge of your mind. When a negative voice enters, challenge it. Do not sit and agree with every thought you hear. Not every thought is your own. Some thoughts are spiritual attack. Speak with a loud voice. My mind is not your home. Leave now. You have no place in my life. You negative spirits, live in the name of Jesus. Number two, break unhealthy emotional attachment. Very important. Negative spirits loves emotional wounds. They can enter through heartbreaks, betrayal, loneliness, disappointment, and anger. When you hold on to emotional pain for long, you become spiritually weak. This is why some people suffer sadness that does not match their current situation. You see yourself that you are angry for nothing, you are sad for nothing. You see people crying, but they cannot explain why. People losing hope, even when life is not too bad. You will see people angry at everyone, even when nobody offended them. That is emotional manipulation by negative spirits. To stop this control, you must release emotional pain intentionally. And the truth is, you cannot heal while holding on to bitterness, and you cannot be free while carrying hatred. I want you to know this today. Emotional wounds are open gates. Until you close them, negative spirits will keep using them to control your mood and your decisions. Number three, disconnect from dark environments. Some places carry spiritual energy. Some environments look normal, but spiritually, they are polluted. Mostly, negative spirits operate where people gossip, fight, where people drink excessively, argue, and live in confusion. You see that place that the environment is all about fights, quarrels, smokes, do this and do that. When you stay too long in such environments, you begin to absorb spiritual attack without knowing, and you will start fighting battles that are not yours. To stop negative spirits from controlling your life, you must disconnect from toxic environments. See, when a place brings your peace, please leave. Whenever a relationship destroys your confidence, walk away. And if people around you corrupt your spirits, please disconnect. You cannot stay in a dark place and expect light to protect you. You must remove yourself from environments that are spiritually dangerous. Number four, speak against what you feel. Negative spirits use silence to grow stronger. They operate when you refuse to speak. Many people suffer heavy spiritual attack because they stay quiet when they should speak with authority. When you suddenly feel fear, speak immediately. When you feel pressure on your mind, speak. And when you feel strange presence around you, speak and command any negative spirits affecting my life. Stop now in the name of Jesus. It's simple but very powerful. Your spoken word carry authority and power. So speak and they will live your life. Your voice is a spiritual weapon. Number five, healing your inner life. Negative spirit find strength in things that you hide. It could be secret anger, secret jealousy, secret sin, secret bad habits, or secret addiction. Anything that you hide becomes a spiritual doorway. You may think it's nothing, but spiritually, it is the leading space for negative energy. So when you clean your inner life, you remove their foundation, the place where they hide. Do not pretend that you are okay. Be honest with yourself. Remove what is not helping your destiny. When your heart is clean, your spirit becomes strong. Number six, protect your night hour. The night is most sensitive spiritual time. Negative spirits attack heavily at night. This is when your mind is weak and your body is at rest. This is why many people wake up with a lot of things, tired, confused, or with strange dreams. So you must protect your nights. Even 2 minutes of prayer before sleep can change everything. Even one strong declaration can close spiritual door. Or you can read Psalm 91 or Psalm 27 before you sleep. Night protection is powerful. At least read Psalm 91 or Psalm 27 before you go to bed. Number seven, use your spiritual authority. Negative people only control people who do not know their authority. When you stand strong and speak with confidence, they cannot stay. Authority is not shouting. Authority is confidence. Authority is knowing who you are. Authority is speaking without fear. Every day, declare I am spiritually protected. No negative spirit will control me today. My life is guided. My mind is covered. My home is protected and my spirit is strong. When you say this daily, negative spirits lose their power over your life. So guys, negative spirits are real. Their control is subtle. They start small, but they grow if you ignore them. But the truth is you can stop them and you can break their influence and take back your life, your true identity, your real personality. So control your mind, your emotions, disconnect from dark environments, speak boldly, protect your life, and use your authority. This is how you stop negative spirits from controlling your life permanently. So this is all I have for you today. If this message bless you, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe if you have not, and make sure that you turn on your bell notification to be notified each time I upload a new video. And also, please, I want you to comment down below. I am spiritually protected. God bless you.